walking down the campus lane where shadows used to play. Echoes of our college years that slowly slipped away. 4 years of a golden dream wrapped inside your arms. We thought we had forever, safe from all the storms. But the seasons change so fast, the fire burned too bright. Lost inside the arguments, fading in the night.
Yeah, we were young, we were dumb, thought the world was ours to take. Studying the textbooks, but we didn't see the heartbreak. 4 years deep, then the pride and the ego got away. Screaming in the dorm room with nothing left to say. Packed my bags, walked away, 2 whole years just flew by. Living in the city, but I couldn't even touch the sky. Every time I saw a face that looked a little bit like you, I felt the same old ache, wondering what you're up to.
Then we collided in the neon rain. 2 years of silence, washing down the drain. One last night to hold you, one last time before we gave it all we had. Answering the call, it's a beautiful goodbye, written in the dawn. I'll keep you in my heart, even though you're moving on. Coffee shop on 2nd Street, our eyes finally met. All the unspoken apologies, the things we couldn't forget. We talked until the streetlights flickered out and died. Found our way back to the room with nowhere left to hide. For a moment we were back in the autumn of our youth, tangled in the bed sheets, whispering the truth.
Yeah, the touch was familiar, but I knew our souls had grown. We were 2 different people on a journey of our own. Woke up in the morning with the sunlight on your face. Knew it was the finish line, the ending of the race. No tears, no fights, just a silent understand. Slip my jacket on, gently let go of your hand. Never saw you after that, but I hope you're doing great. Chasing down your destiny, smiling at your face.
'Cause we collided in the neon rain. 2 years of silence, washing down the drain. One last night to hold you, one last time before we gave it all we had. Answering the call, it's a beautiful goodbye, written in the dawn. I'll keep you in my heart, even though you're moving on. I walk into the future, carrying the light we made.
We had our 4 years, and the memories will never fade.
No regrets, no sorrow, just a chapter that is closed, blooming like a hopeful rose.